Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to post on a Facebook group without admin approval. So first, when you open your Facebook, as you can see here, and we're going to search a group here where you want to join or make a post, for example here, and I'm going to tap on the groups tab right there at the top. And if you want to see only public groups on these results, you just need to tap on the settings right there at the top right and check these public groups. And then you have to tap on show results. And here it goes here. So you just need to select any of the public groups where you want to make a post. So for example, right here. And then here, as you can see, you can just write anything you want here and you can post a comment or post on the story or on timeline without the admin approval. But if you find that your posts need to have an admin approval, basically it's because of your admin settings. As you can see here on Help Center, in public groups, people can become members without admin approval, and visitors or people who aren't members can post and comment if admins allow. So you can choose to approve members and visitors as participants before they publish a post or comment for the first time. Once someone is approved as a participant, you can still require admin approval of their future post. So as you can see, it depends on the admin settings if they want to allow all of the members or anyone who can post on their groups. So that's it. That's how you basically post on Facebook groups without admin approval. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.